did the wrong haircut. Yeah, I did the wrong haircut. I didn't put I did the wrong haircut underneath. The art of barbering, though, y'all check this out, man. Today, I really felt like making a movie. I ain't even gonna count with you. I was dreaming about it last night, and I was just taking my precious time creating. And all of a sudden, I just remember, like, damn, I got to do a haircut. Tone is a stickler for time. I know he's at the shop, so this is how it went.
I wonder where this nigga at, man. Let me call him, man.
He's at the shop. I already knew that.
Oh, shit, he
I
called
already
me.
knew that. So let me go ahead and call Tone because he's gonna call me soon.
Hello?
Yo.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Yeah, I'm already up here, bro.
I'm about to be on my way.
Been up here about 5 minutes. Damn.
It's my fault, bro. I lost track of time. I'm on my way.
All right.
All right.
Yeah, so, Tone, he a stickler for time, so he ain't really trying to wait. So, I had to get my da-da-da together, the blah-la-la, little stella, how we do, Anyway, just getting ready. It's just what we do, Carolina stand-up. So I'm about to leave. My son said he had to get his Rice Krispie treat. I'm like, Rice Krispie treat? Anyway, we out. It's a nice day. I ain't even gonna count. It's probably about like 4:30, p.m., I just said, hey to Miss Johnson. She's just an old lady. They love me over there. Yeah. And me and my son, we just talking about things. He was asking, he was like, Dad, I don't want to go to the shop. Me and Oz play. That's one of his best friends.
I'm not gonna say no. I'm not gonna say yes.
Yeah. I'm like, it just all depends, because it just... So I'm here at the barbershop trying to adjust my shoes, like dumb as hell.
Yeah.
How long you been?
About 5 minutes, bro. We good, though. Everything's
Look at Tone acting
yeah.
like he got kilos on that. Boy, we are getting a haircut, my boy. But that's my boy, man. That's Tone. And he just, But this is where I messed up. I wasn't even listening. I was so busy trying to make a movie. I won't even listen to Tone. Just listen. Listen.
How you getting it today, Tom?
We get a taper with an edge, bro.
What about the beard?
Yeah, we're going to do the beard, too.
How you want the beard?
We're going to do it high.
Yeah, a taper and an edge. That's what he asked. A taper and an edge. Look what I did. I ignored his whole request. Like, what type of stuff is that? Who does that? Well, we here now, so let's go ahead and continue. Y'all might notice that I do like a jagged, open clipper, right? Just one. I do it all the way open, jagged a little bit. And the reason why is because it's the way I blend. My blend is more of it's like a painting, It's like a painting, but real life painting without any enhancements. So just check what I'm doing. Like, what is he doing? That don't make sense. I know. A lot of things don't make sense, but that end result, that's where we trying to get there. You already know, y'all see that line in the back. Just be patient with me. Next time I'm gonna make sure that I get better angles, but look the way those babblers is cutting. I left the link in below if y'all want to get some of them things. I love my gold ones. They hit excellent. You don't have to even set them because they already preset. We'll pump it up. And that's where we getting jiggy now. I want y'all to look. Next time I'm gonna make sure I get better angles though, because I know y'all want to see the size, how I'm positioning my clippers or my trimmers. Those are trimmers, y'all. Okay. Yeah. A little white, a little tan pencil, just for the congruency. And that's what I always say, for the congruency. We know it's not gonna be perfect, but we aiming for perfection every time. Every time, Yeah, y'all see that? Y'all see that blend? Come on, man. Y'all see the blend? Y'all see the blend? Come on now. Get them right, boy. Get them right. Yeah, get them right. Get them right. Yeah. Get them right. Get them right. And that's just what I do. So that's why I said if y'all in Fayetteville or the surrounding counties, cities, it doesn't matter. Like, really book an appointment. I left everything in the link below, like in the description and in the comment section. And guess what? You can build your own haircut package. So Like I said, it doesn't matter. Like you can have $5, you can have $150. I have a package for anyone that's really trying to get a great service. And, I mean, that's all it is, you know. So and the ball is in your court, all right? The cookie's in your hand, okay? If that makes any sense. 4. And then, you know, we do the little after pick. Oh, nice. Y'all see it, man. Come on now. You know. That's Tony O'Bands, boy. You already know how we do. Did the wrong haircut. I did. Hey, I appreciate all of y'all watching. I really appreciate all y'all watching. Stay tuned. I got way more skits. I have way more movies, short films coming up. I have way more short films, barbering short films, and other little things coming up, you know. Stay in tune, subscribe, leave a comment, give me some great constructive criticism. What can I do better? What can I do better? You know, as a barber, as a narrator as well, you know. We got Tony O'Bands. You know how we do. And that's the model for today. You know, if you're interested in being a model, hit me up. And then we got my cameraman right here, little PJ Hit Clips. And, you know, that's my son. You know, he lit anytime he with the camera. So that's just how we do. All right. I appreciate y'all watching. We about to just run this thing back a little bit. You know what I'm talking about? Just gonna run it back a little bit so y'all can see this. You know, that's it. Hey, I appreciate y'all. You already know who it is. Lit Cut HD. And we out.